Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm B.B.J. I watch B.B.J. videos, and today I'm going to be showing you from this to this. Ooh. Alright everyone, what you're going to want to do first is go to your settings. And as you see, I already had it open because I was just figuring this out. But if you go to accessibility, there's a button called night mode. It's going to lag a little bit on the screen, but that's okay. But you want to open night mode, and it's going to have all these different settings. So what you can do is mess around with these buttons, and if you want to make your power button off, you're going to want to hit power button brightness, hit custom brightness, and you can make it as bright as you want. You can make it the default, a little darker, or pitch black. You can also do night mode darkness or brightness, whatever you want to call it. But also, you can do it for your controller. So right now I have it at as dark as possible. You can also put it back to normal, or put it right back to dark if I want to, but I keep it like that. So yeah, I can tell if it's on or not. Now it's going to be a little laggy on the screen, but that's okay, I guess. You also do the night mode, do whatever you want. Preference is up to you. But this was a little quick tutorial, not a big video for today. But next video will be the explanation on why my music is the way it is. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell to post notifications. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out, everyone.